How to splice a receptacle junction box with two circuits sharing the same neutral wire. A suitably sized junction box, compliant with the requirements of Article 314.16 of the 2023 NEC, National Electrical Code, with inserted cables that will be spliced to connect the duplex receptacle. 3-wire cable from the panel board. 2-wire cables to another electrical outlets. The inserted cable must be long enough to be properly spliced, and must be secured to the structure no more than 12 inches from the cable entry point into the junction box as per Article 334.30 of the 2023 NEC. For this type of junction box, non-metallic, single-gang, without cable clamps, and no larger than 2 1/4 inch by 4 inches. The cable must be secured no more than 8 inches from the cable entry point into the junction box, as per exception in Article 314.17, b-2, of 2023 NEC. In this case, the cable must be secured no further than 8 inches from the cable entry into the junction box. Remove the cable sheath from both cables. Cable sheath removed from all cables and extends into the junction box at least 1/4 inch beyond the entry point, per 2023 NEC Article 314.17, b-2. Cable wires in the junction box. Bare, ground wires. White, neutral wires. Black, hot wires. Red, second hot wire. Some of the wire nuts identified for splicing wires as per Article 110.14, b, that can be used to splice the wires. Green wire nuts should only be used to connect the ground wire. The green wire nut has a special hole at the top that allows the bare pigtail of the ground wire, one of the ground wires to be spliced, to be exposed for connection to an electrical device after splicing. Popular tan wire nut which that fits most connections. The ground wire, equipment grounding conductor, in junction boxes must be spliced in accordance with Article 250.148 of the 2023 NEC. Group the ground, bare, wires together. Select a longer wire for the pigtail wire and trim the other ground wire to no less than 6 inches long. The shorter ground wire is twisted around the longer pigtail wire and is trimmed to the desired length. The length of free wire from the removed cable sheath must be at least 6 inches, per Article 300.14 of the 2023 NEC. Insert the longer wire through the hole in the green wire nut and connect the trimmed wire to the longer wire, then insert the spliced wires into the junction box, leaving pigtail wire outside the box. Ground wires connected with a green wire nut. 3 to 5 twists are sufficient as too many twists may damage the wire. Spliced ground wires inserted into the junction box, and the pigtail wire left outside the junction box. Group the hot wire, black, from 2-wire cable to the other electrical outlets, and the second hot wire, red, from 3-wire cable from the panel board. Trim them to not shorter than 6 inches. Strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch and use pliers and a wire nut or just a wire nut to splice them together. Insert spliced wires into the junction box. The length of free wire from the removed cable sheath must be at least 6 inches. At least 3 inches of wire must extend from the front of the junction box. 2023 NEC Article 300.14. If the junction box opening is less than 8 inches in any dimension, each wire must extend beyond the junction box at least 3 inches. The insulation was stripped from the ends of the wire by approximately 1/2 inch. Twisting the ends of the wires with pliers ensures a better connection. Connection secured with a wire nut. 3 to 5 twists of the wires are sufficient to prevent damage to the wire insulation. Spliced wires inside the junction box. Group all remaining wires, including the ground pigtail wire. Trim them to no less than 6 inches. Strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch and make a loop at the end of each wire. The wires are trimmed to a length of not less than 6 inches. Their ends are stripped to a length of approximately 1/2 inch. And loops are made at the end of each wire. Junction box wires that will be connected to the receptacle. Ground wire, bare, that will be connected to the ground terminal of the receptacle, green screw. Neutral wires, white, that will be connected to the neutral terminal of the receptacle, silver screws. Hot wire, black, that will be connected to the hot terminal of the receptacle, gold screws. Duplex receptacle, front view. The receptacle selected and installed must meet all requirements specified in Article 406 of the NEC 2023 for the specific installation. Receptacles installed in the residential buildings must be tamper-resistant type as per Article 406.12(1). Duplex receptacle, rear view. Ground terminal, green screw. Neutral terminal, silver screws. Hot terminal, gold screws. The use of push-in neutral and hot terminals is not recommended because they do not provide a good connection, which may cause overheating and damage to the receptacle, and finally cause a fire. Connect the ground wire, bare, to the ground terminal, green screw, of the receptacle. Ground wire connected. Connect the neutral wires, white, to the neutral terminal, silver screws, of the receptacle. Neutral wire connected. Connect the hot wire, black, to the hot terminal, gold screws, of the receptacle. Hot wire connected. Sketch of connected wires. This connection is not acceptable under 2023 NEC Article 300.13b, which states that the continuity of the neutral wire from multiwire branch circuit shall not depend on the device connection. The connection of the neutral wires on the receptacle or other device is acceptable by the NEC if the neutral wire belongs exclusively to the circuit which serves the devices on that circuits. The junction box will be spliced in the same way. If a 3-wire cable runs from a single pole switch to the receptacle, and a 2-wire cable runs to the light outlet, as shown in the drawing, the hot, red, wire from 3-wire cable is spliced to the hot, black, wire from 2-wire cable to control the light outlet by a switch. And the neutral wire that serves the receptacle and the light outlet can depend on the device connection, as this neutral wire only serves that circuit. If 2 circuits in a junction box share the same neutral continuity shall not depend on the device connection in accordance with Article 300.13b of the NEC 2023. In such a junction box, the neutral wire connection shall be corrected by connecting the neutral conductors with an added pigtail wire to achieve neutral continuity in accordance with Article 300.13b. Sketch illustrating the correct wiring. To correct this error, disconnect the neutral, white, wires from the receptacle. Straighten the ends of the disconnected wires. Take a piece of white wire the same size as the wires that will be spliced and, using pliers and a wire nut or just a wire nut, connect it to the neutral, white, wires previously disconnected from the receptacle. The wires disconnected from the receptacle and their ends straightened. Pigtail wire connected to the neutral wires and connection secured with a wire nut. 3 to 5 twists of the wires are sufficient to prevent damage to the wire insulation. Insert spliced wires into the junction box, leaving the pigtail wire outside the box. Connection of wires inside the junction box and a pigtail wire left outside the box. Trim the pigtail wire to the desired length. Strip the insulation from the end of the pigtail wire about 1/2 inch and make a loop in the end of this wire. A loop is made at the end of the pigtail wire. Connect the neutral pigtail wire to the neutral terminal of the receptacle, silver screws. Neutral pigtail wire connected. The continuity of the neutral wire does not depend on the connection of the device. A 15 amps duplex receptacle is permitted on 15 or 20 amps dedicated circuits as defined in Table 210.21, B3, for more than one receptacle on a circuit. Because a duplex receptacle has 2 outlets, it is considered a 2 receptacles and is permitted on 15 or 20 amps dedicated circuits. If a single receptacle is to be installed, its rating shall not be less than the circuit rating in accordance with Article 210.20 (b)(1). Insert the wires into the junction box and attach the receptacle to the box in accordance with Article 406.5 of the 2023 NEC. Make sure the ground wire does not touch any of the hot terminals of the receptacle. Install the receptacle wall plate as per Article 406.6 and Article 314.20 of the 2023 NEC.